Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we're calling the best wood-burning folding stove for camping, the Hovico Lightweight Portable Wood-Burning Camping Stove. Whether you're an avid hiker, a weekend camper, or just someone who wants to be ready for any outdoor emergency, this mini stove could become your favorite gear in the pack. Let's start with the basics. It's built by Hovico and constructed entirely from hardened stainless steel, giving it the durability you need for rugged outdoor conditions. With dimensions of just 4.9 by 4.9 inches at the base and standing 6.3 inches tall, it's compact enough to fit in almost any backpack, and it comes with a reusable pouch for easy transport. Now, unlike traditional stoves that rely on propane canisters or alcohol burners, this stove is powered by nature itself. That means twigs, branches, dry leaves, whatever you find around your campsite. No need to carry fuel. That's not just space-saving, it's also sustainable and efficient. Let's talk about usability. This stove is designed to be set up in just a few minutes. You unfold the structure, load it with your fuel, again, twigs or leaves, and light it up. Within 5 minutes, you're ready to cook. Whether you're boiling water, cooking soup, or just heating up a meal, the structure supports various small pots or pans securely on top. And despite its small footprint, it offers surprisingly good ventilation. The design allows air to flow efficiently, feeding the fire naturally and keeping the burn consistent, even with small sticks. Another great plus is that it's collapsible. Once you're done using it, it folds back down flat, minimizing the space it takes in your gear. It's not just for campers either. This is great for BBQs, picnics, survival kits, or emergency preparedness. The stainless steel body isn't just for show. It's rust-resistant and handles high temperatures without warping. You can tell right away this isn't one of those cheaply made, single-use stoves. The structure feels stable, the assembly is solid, and the overall finish is clean and professional. Any accessories or cookware you see in the product pictures are for illustration purposes only. But that's not a downside. It actually makes this one of the most affordable entry-level stoves in this category. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a compact, durable, and eco-friendly way to cook outdoors, the Hovico wood-burning folding stove really checks all the boxes. It's lightweight, efficient, easy to carry, and gives you freedom from gas canisters. Whether you're on a solo hiking trip or prepping for emergency situations, this stove brings peace of mind and practical functionality at an affordable price point. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you've used this stove or have questions about other camp gear, drop a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next in-depth product review. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.